In this video, we'll guide you through restoring and improving the quality of your favorite old animations like this, all in 3 simple steps. Easily eliminate blur and bring out sharper details in your videos. Step 1. Open AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI and import your video. Step 2. Adjust the output settings on the right side of the screen. For this demo, we'll show you how to upgrade the video to 4K. You can choose to upscale to 4000 from the preset section or select 4K from the output resolution drop-down menu. Next, go to the feature list and select the AI features for animation. AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI offers specific AI models for old animation. Choose anime from the drop-down menu. Then, adjust the output settings and preview the enhancement on 30 frames to make sure it looks just right. You can always go back and tweak the settings if you want. Step 3. Hit the Start Processing button to begin the enhancement process. And your 4K animation is ready.
That man's an imposter! That man is the imposter!
There can't be 2 Spider-Men.
Let's take them both in! Hold on a second. We'll have a showdown to prove which of us is the real Spider-Man, and you can unmask the loser.
That's fair enough, but no tricks.
That's all for this tutorial. Simply download AVCLabs Video Enhancer and give it a try for free. Thank you for watching.